Stupid
pigeon. No, seagull.
Stupid birds. Stupid birds.
Stupid seagull.
Back to the scene of the attack.
You can see where the outline of the biscuit body is. No, it's still there, and I don't think they got into it. Look at them. They're still hanging around it. What do we do? They couldn't open it.
Oh, shoot.
Do we try to get rid of them?
I'm actually a little scared about that.
Are you?
I don't know. I wonder if we...
Let's try it. Let's see. Well, you can chase them off, then we can grab the biscuits and run.
Yeah.
Look at, they could never open them. So these are the guys that attacked us, by the way. Get away. Get away. Yes, get away. Our biscuits! We retrieved them. Let's go. We got them. Look at, they're coming after us.
Oh, shoot.
They are. No, okay. Here we go.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Gosh, Jeremiah.
Oh,
okay,
shoot.
I can't.
Just fell.
I can't do this.
Whoa. Oh, no.
Let's leave them. They're coming after us again. What do we do?
Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh.
Should we just leave them? They're
Yeah.
at it again.
Yeah.
Oh. What should we do? Leave them?
Yeah, I think so.
Give up?
Yep.
Guess we're giving them to the birds. But they can't open them.
Yep. We're giving them up.
Oh, there's pelicans out there in the water. You see them? Oh, God, yeah. Now there's a whole bunch of them there again. Look.